Hey guys, Josh here from MobileTechVideos.com, today with another world's first and currently world's only JTAG brick repair solution. Today we'll be talking about the Droid DNA/DLX. Alright, as I gave you some heads up there in the opener, this is the world's only, currently, and world's first Droid DNA/DLX/Butterfly JTAG brick repair. Those are the names associated with this particular device. It's an HTC phone. This particular unit is offered on Verizon and many other carriers as Global Unlocked, and it features the APQ8064 processor from Qualcomm, which is quad-core based. We have full eMMC access, which means we can repair your brick device. Common methods of bricking are going to be attempting to get the bootloader unlocked, super CID changes, flashing ROMs, kernels, anything not compatible, or anything that may corrupt your unit. We can fix this if you have suffered a hard brick. So what I mean by hard brick here is we've got our power button pressed, and we have absolutely nothing on screen here on this unit. This is not going to charge. We don't get the amber light on front or back as you should, and we know the hardware inside is just fine. This particular user has suffered a failed Super CID attempt in which his ID4 partition is most likely destroyed. However, fear not, MobileTechVideos.com has your world's first solution. Watch now as we fix your Droid DNA. Alright, we have our Droid DNA/DLX/Butterfly back up now. Obviously those are just the code names for this particular device after a successful JTAG brick repair. Keep in mind, MobileTechVideos.com is your trusted source for JTAG brick repair as well as many other services. such as some of our elite repairs like USB ports, power buttons, and more. Give us a call, 657-444-JTAG, to have any questions about your order, and we can definitely help you out with anything you may have. So here we have our device fully up, fully running, no issues at all. IMEI number, all that stuff is intact. This device is ready to be shipped back to the customer for full use, just as it was beforehand. Best of all, on the DNA, all data is restored and intact regarding internal SD storage data, such as pictures, videos, music, and more. So this is it, guys. Check us out. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and above all, subscribe here on YouTube for the latest, greatest content. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video, hopefully as a new YouTube subscriber.